Hi, this is Richard Rose, and this is Google Slides Online Quiz 1. This is what I call a learning quiz. The idea is that you will learn from taking the quiz. Here are the instructions. They're the same as for all of our quizzes. Click correct if a sentence or question uses good grammar. Click incorrect if anything is wrong with the grammar, and if a sentence doesn't make sense, also click incorrect. Number 1, I'm going to go for a walk tomorrow unless there's a big storm. This is correct. It means that I'm not going to go if there's a big storm. Number 2, if you don't stop smoking, you may die young. This is also correct. If is the correct word to use here. If you don't stop smoking, something bad may happen to you. Number 3, if he didn't have much money, he was able to take his wife out for an expensive meal. This doesn't make sense. If is the wrong word to use here. Although is a much better word. Although he didn't have much money, he was able to take his wife out for an expensive meal. That means that he didn't have much money, but the opposite of what you would expect would be true. He was able to take his wife out for an expensive meal.